Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to do a unboxing video. I'll be making two videos today of unboxings. I've got the Vaptio Wall Crawler Kit throne and the Vaptio Wall Crawler mod. So just the difference between what you get with just the mod and the kit, really. So yeah, let's get to it. So the wall crawler kit is it's just like any other kit you'd get, really. You know, you get your standard tank mod, 2 extra coils and the USB charger. So you pretty much got everything you need for a setup. So my first impression of the wall crawler mod kit is it's nice, it's fancy, it's gimmicky. You know, it's got the whole Spider-Man sort of thing going on. The whole superhero thing's real popular at the moment, so I think this will be doing quite well, especially with one of the new Spider-Man movies coming out soon with Venom, who's, you know, known for his black and darkness. So yeah, I think this is a really nice mod. So yeah, let's see how it vapes. So the throne tank is a little different to the tanks I've used before. The full top unscrews. So it's not one of them ones that you slide or you pull to one side. And that's what it looks like when you take the top off. I was a little confused at first because most tanks have like a little hole in the rubber part that you put your e-liquid in, but this one you just have to like kind of... Oh crap, that's messy. So yeah, that's a little difficult if you want to use, you know... Yeah, that's not going to work so well, is it? So I figured the best type of bottle that you'd use to fill up this tank is one of these, where you can actually shove the whole end into the tank. Like, you actually have to get it under the rubber to get it in there, if you see what I mean. Like, you actually have to get under the rubber. Like, I get why they've done that. It's like a good way to stop leaking. So if you, I'm guessing if you like tip it upside down, because the rubber is like an upwards sort of, the lips are upwards, there's less chance of it leaking. So yeah, if you fill in that tank, do not use a dripper. So the wall crawler mod has a 1.3-inch screen. It goes up to 80 watts, which is good for a little mod. I mean, a lot of the little mods that I've got only go up to 60, so I only ever vape up to 80 watts anyway, and that's with a dripper, so it's perfect for me. I'm gonna run it on 40 watts just to see how it goes. Not bad, I think 40 watts is alright for me. Pulls through well, you know. It's quite powerful for a small mod. And the tank's a lot better than I thought it would be. The taste's good as well. So I guess the coils are alright. Yeah. And it only takes 1 battery as well, which is good. A lot of, you know, my mods take 2 batteries. And ones that take 3 batteries. So it's a nice change to have one that only takes 1 battery. And it's quite powerful to say it's only got 1 battery. So yeah. I'm loving this kit. Definitely recommend it. Comes in 4 colours. You've got black and red, black and blue, black and stainless, and just black. This is the just black one, which I think looks really neat. Screen is 1.3 inches. Cute little screen there in colour as well. So yeah, what more could you want from a little kit? So for me, I give this like an 8 out of 10. Mostly because of the awkwardness of the tank for me. You know, I like something that's easy to fill up, a little bit more convenient, but the mod itself, really nice. And I'm not getting bad flavour as well, so that's all good. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see what this mod looks like in black and red, I'll be doing an unboxing, so keep an eye out for that. And please subscribe if you want to see more videos. It'd help me out a lot as well, because the more subscribers I have, the more I'll feel like I want to make videos, and you know, it'll just give me that little push that I need. So yeah, thank you, and keep it cloudy.